Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can verify your TikTok business account. To do so, simply you just have to open up a TikTok, and after opening up your TikTok, you just have to go into your profile. Here, let it load up on the screen, and given the speed of your Wi-Fi connection, it will load up on the screen. As you can see now, the TikTok has loaded up on my screen. But now you just have to go into your profile. Here, after you are on your profile, you can see a down arrow button which is on the top right hand side of your screen. If you click on the down arrow button, you can see that these options again pop up. From here, go on to settings, which is again on the top right side of your screen. Now, after going on to settings, you can see a option for accounts on the first. Go on to accounts, and from here you will be able to see a option for switch to business account. To verify account, just click on switch to business account. And now after switching on to a business account, you'll be able to verify it. Again, give it some time to load, and with the speed of your Wi-Fi connection, it will take some time and load up on your screen. Now you just have to click on next and do it until you will be able to see this kind of option pop up, because business account or public account. After you switch your business account, anyone on TikTok will be able to see your post. Click on continue, and now choose a category of your business account that you want. It can be anything, and click on next. After that, you just need to add your email address. Now you can just add any email address, or you can skip it as well. For now I'm going to skip, but I would advise you to add your business account email just in case, for better security and to get all the information about business accounts that TikTok will provide you for. And here you can see now a business account has been verified. Now just click on business, visit business shoot, and you'll be able to go into your business account and access it. This was for this video, and that's how you can verify your TikTok business account. I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.